Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to save your Canva presentation as a PowerPoint file. This is a super handy trick, especially if you need to share your work with colleagues or classmates who use Microsoft PowerPoint or if you want to present offline. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident turning any of your Canva designs into a format that works seamlessly in PowerPoint. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you have your presentation open in Canva. If you've just finished working on it, you should still be on the editing screen with all your slides visible. If not, just navigate to your Canva dashboard and open up your chosen presentation. This step might sound simple, but it's crucial. Make sure you're absolutely certain this is the version you want to export. Double check for typos or last-minute changes now, because once you download, you'd have to re-upload to make adjustments. Next, let's head up to the top right corner of the Canva screen. Look for the big button labeled Share. This is your launch pad for exporting and sharing your designs in all sorts of formats. Go ahead and click on that Share button. It'll open up a panel with lots of options. I know it can look a little overwhelming, especially if you don't use Canva's sharing features regularly, but don't worry, I'll walk you through. Now pay attention to the bottom right corner of the Share panel. You'll notice three little dots, kind of like a More Options menu. These three dots are easy to miss, but they're where all the extra export options are tucked away. Give those three dots a click. A new set of choices will open up, showing you all the different file types you can use. Scroll down until you see the option for PowerPoint. Depending on your screen size, you might need to look a bit. It's usually near the bottom of the list. The PowerPoint option is often labeled as Microsoft PowerPoint or just PowerPoint with the familiar PPTX file extension. Click on that. Canva will immediately start preparing your presentation to fit the PowerPoint format. This might take a few moments if your presentation has lots of slides or images, so just be a little patient here. It's totally normal for the download to take longer for larger files. It's just Canva making sure everything transfers smoothly. Once Canva is done preparing your file, the download button will appear. Click Download, and your browser will save the file, most likely to your Downloads folder unless you've told your browser to save files elsewhere. And that's it. You've just turned your Canva masterpiece into a PowerPoint file, ready to open in Microsoft PowerPoint or any compatible viewer. As a quick side note, sometimes, especially if you've used very unique fonts or animations, you might notice small differences in the PowerPoint version. It's always a good idea to open your new file in PowerPoint and give it a quick once-over just to make sure everything looks right. If something's off, you can always make little tweaks right in PowerPoint. So there you have it, a simple way to give your Canva creations new life outside Canva's ecosystem. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, and if you have any questions about exporting or about Canva or PowerPoint, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more clear, easy-to-follow tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching and happy designing.